the value of these items within the fish keeping business, or should I say, even as a hobby, is getting like undervalued by many fish keepers out there. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, welcome again to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so today I'll be focusing on medication and the whole idea of using medication within your system, your local system. Okay, so today I am at a local pet shop, one of the most favorite pet shop of everyone who keeps fish in Jamaica. Everyone who keeps fish in Jamaica knows this pet shop, and it has a great array of medication for your fish, for practically all ailments, and yeah, and they come in various size. I did a video that actually went into detail looking at the type of meds that this pet shop actually have. Okay, so for today, I'm focusing on the fish that is within the space of the pet shop, right? Because the pet shop keeps birds, and you'll hear the birds in the background, right? Okay, so wow, these fish look really beautiful, right, guys? Right. Okay, so the system at this pet shop is built in such a way that you have every three aquarium is actually plumbed together, so the water actually circulates within the three aquariums. Now, I came in today and I saw a few aquariums had blue water, right? And upon close inspection of some of the fish, I realized fish like this angel is practically sick. Some of them is like on their last stretch. It seems as if someone actually brought in some sick fish from wherever they keep them or breed them, and they sold the pet shop. And with the circulation system all intermingled, what happened is that several fish actually got infected. Now, in addition to that, when the infection actually just started, what had happened is that they started to take the fish from one aquarium to the other. It wasn't noticeable then, but it was believed that there was a fish that was within different species that was aggressive. It was not until a few days after they realized that they started to see several fish showing the same symptoms, and they are actually dying. Right? These mornings are really beautiful. By the way, some fish system. Okay, so before I get to some fish, this is one of the aquariums that has been affected by infestation of some type of background or some parasite, right? So as I go through, you will see that some of the water looks a little bit blue. That's because, again, going back to the first part of this video, as I shared with you, that regardless of how good your system is, you're going to still have issues with fish being sick. So the brilliant minds of the pet shop have actually been using some of these same products that I shared with you to actually work on the health of these fish. So I have actually been scoped. Well, I scoped out all the species, and these three aquariums are all interlinked. And if you look at the water, you realize that the water have this bluish color. Now, the medication for that three species was like not so recent, so it kind of look a little pale. You notice these three aquariums have no medication in it. These three aquariums have no medication in it, right? Up here, but as I move around, right, to other spaces, I think this is close, right? There are evidence that some amount of infections have actually hit practically at least. There are three areas, three species, right? Two really, and within they call it and like ship black system on both sides have. Yeah, okay, so here is the fish tank that's been treated um for issues. Right, you see the water look green when I come up nearer, it kind of look like it's like the background light or whatever, but this is medication. Okay, so they are like probably about 20 something, nearly 30 something aquarium, right? And I share all of this with you when I actually look at the design and organization of the pet shop. And what I realized is that having interlinked aquariums where you have flow system, water flow system, is very dangerous because once a sick fish exists in one aquarium, chances of the pest or the parasite or the illness being transferred to another fish, that is highly likely. I just wanted to share this with you that, hey, listen, you at home watching this video, you're not the only one that actually experienced fish becoming infested with issues as a result of you actually introducing new fish within the space. And as you can see, there are no quarantine spaces for most of the fish that is kept here. Well, they come at times in hundreds, so they don't really have the capability of doing that. But that's a business anyway. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day. Peace out. Bye bye.